In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Smartsheet dashboard with external users. Whether you are working with partners, clients, or anyone outside your organization, this quick guide will help you share your dashboard safely and professionally. Start by heading to your Smartsheet home or workspace. This is your main hub where all your sheets, reports, and dashboards live. Once you are there, open the specific dashboard you want to share and double check you're on the right one. With the dashboard open, look at the top menu and select File, then choose Publish. Publishing is what allows people outside your organization to view the dashboard. Next, turn on the Read Only full toggle. This ensures your external users can view everything, but they won't be able to edit or change anything. After that, click Get Link. Smartsheet will generate a unique URL for your dashboard. This is the link you'll share with your external users. Make sure you only send it to people who actually need access. Now choose Access Control. Here, you decide whether the link works for anyone who has it or only specific users within your Smartsheet plan. Pick the option that matches your security needs. Once that's set, copy the link and share it with your external users. When they open it, they'll see the dashboard in read-only mode. Clear, accessible, and safe. And if you want to embed the dashboard on a website, Smartsheet also gives you an embed code you can copy and paste for seamless viewing. And that's it. Your dashboard is now ready to be shared externally, securely, professionally, and with just a few clicks.